To download Kurzweil 3000 online, go to the CSU Channel Islands website by typing in www.csuci.edu into the URL box and pressing enter. Once you're on the home page of the CSU-CI website, go to the top toolbar in the right-hand corner and click on the search bar called Search CI. Then type in the acronym DASS and click enter. Once the search results page has appeared, you will find the key match labeled Disability Accommodations and Support Services. Identify and select this link. You are now on the Disability Accommodations and Support Services main page. In the box titled In this section, identify and click on Students. You are now on the Students page. Now on the Students page, identify and click on Student Resources. Scroll down to the Online Resources section. You will see two links for downloading Kurzweil, the Kurzweil 3000 download for Windows and the Kurzweil 3000 download for Mac. Because I am working on a computer with Windows, I'm going to click on Kurzweil 3000 download for Windows. After selecting Kurzweil 3000 download for Windows, the Save As window will pop up. Save the download to desktop. On the bottom of the screen, there will be a download queue. This shows that Kurzweil is downloading. The file size is large, consisting of 1.9 gigabytes. Depending on your internet connection, it may take up to 30 minutes to download. Click on the Finish Download in the download queue, and the web license version window will pop up. Click on Browse, click on Desktop, and then click OK, and then press Install. Once your download has extracted, you will be prompted with this window titled Kurzweil 3000 Web Licensing. Press Install Web Licensing Software to proceed with the installation and follow prompts.